Well, by now you've learned almost every block in Scratch. I mean, there's a few we haven't used, such as the multiplayer blocks and things, which you're certainly welcome to explore. I'm not going to probably teach those because we don't need them for learning programming. But your final project in Scratch, because I'm planning for some of you students to move on to some other programming things, is to create a game or a interactive activity, something that you want to create. I'm going to give you free choice on that, but it has to include some key elements. Well, of course it's going to have motion blocks, probably it's going to have sounds and pictures, so that's not going to be an issue. Some things that it has to have are some kind of loop or function. There has to be variables, right? Remember how we made variables. And I think and conditionals. There should, in every programming, should have conditionals, if statements or if else statements. You're certainly welcome to include any other blocks you want in creating your game or activity. It just needs to include those minimal things. If you don't feel comfortable with Scratch at this point, if you don't remember anything you did last year, if you didn't do a lot of things last year, this is going to be, I'm going to let you do another assignment. It's going to be due to the Scratch challenges that I assigned last year that most of the students, well, not many of the students got through, and you'll do that instead, and then you'll come back to this. So if you have any questions about this, see me. But remember, this is your opportunity to use your creativity to create anything you want in Scratch. It just has to be interactive with the user and use some of these key elements.